My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just under 43,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have sport mode, voice control. Moving onto our screen, we can access Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting, valet mode, Ford Pass Connect, Bluetooth, mobile apps and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.